You guys raised $7,875. $10,640.
$12,900.
Dang.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. You are watching 12 DIYs of Giveaways, which is my annual fundraiser for Christ Hope International. We have been able to raise over $30,000 for them, and I am so excited to see what we can add to that number this year. For the next 12 days, we're gonna be doing gift ideas. Blog post down in the description for each category. So check that out. And with that, let's get going on some gift ideas for your loved one. All right, let's talk about some gift ideas for the kiddos, the little girls in our lives. Amazon list for all of this stuff that you can compile and all the fun things. So let's get going. Matching doll clothes with their own clothes. So you could DIY t-shirts and then DIY doll clothes. If you're a member of mine and you sew for any reason, you could sew your own doll clothes because we have patterns for like tons of really cute stuff that your Cricut maker can cut out. But if you don't, you can buy these super cute t-shirts for your 18-inch dolls on Amazon, and you can sublimate them because they are 100% poly, or you can use heat transfer vinyl on them, and then you can just cut the SVG in 2 different sizes to have a matching doll outfit. You could do like PJ set, t-shirts, robes, so many things. Scrunchies, you could do a scrunchie with the matching doll scrunchie. Watercolor set. I love watercolor pencils for kids because they want to be able to paint, and it kind of goes back to like, remember those books that you would get and it'd have like the watercolor line on it and you would watercolor it? It's kind of that same concept. It doesn't make a mess, but you're using a pencil, so you can color it however you want. You're not just putting water on a piece of paper. So I love these pens right here. They fill up with water and they're basically brushes. I guess they're not pens, they're brushes. And then you get a watercolor pencil set, which watercolor pencils are actually like a really nice gift, and you can give them for all ages. So young kids can use them, but all the way, I love my watercolor pencils. They can color in coloring books with them in watercolor. That you can get them a nice watercoloring pad and you can put their name on it. You could put it in a cute art bin or something, but make them a cute little art basket, but watercolor. Like watercolor is where it's at. Water balloon set. I had to include this in the girls because I included it in the boys, and I think every kid is gonna love these water balloons. I'm gonna love these water balloons so that I don't have to clean up after anything, and I can just put them in the pool and say have at it, and I'm really hoping they work as good as they say they're gonna work. Custom robe. I know I've gotten my nephew's robes and they don't wear them as much as I thought they would, but I feel like little girls love this type of stuff, so doing their robes and maybe making like a unicorn hat on it, or getting a unicorn one and adding some heat transfer vinyl to put a cute glittery name or their name on it. Bravo Kid writing tablet. I just think this is a cool concept. You could put their name on the back of it with vinyl, and they're only like $13 on Amazon. Walkie-talkies, and you can add the names to the walkie-talkies for each person who gets it. I like getting these kind of sets for like, if I've got like 3 nieces or like their siblings, and I'll get them both, like I'll get them the set and it's like theirs to share, but I'll put their name on both of them. Rain boots and an umbrella. You can put vinyl on them, you can bling them. I mentioned blinging an umbrella in the gift ideas for her video, but I feel like it would be so cute to also do a cute one. You don't have to bling a whole thing. You can bling, you know, just like a little heart on the umbrella or something so that it's got a little sparkle to it. A doll backpack and or a tote to carry your doll around. We have all the sewing patterns on our membership, so I'm thinking about dolls a lot, and we have this really cute one that allows you to like carry your doll like a baby, but you could also make a tote bag, or you could purchase a tote bag or a doll carrying set on Amazon. Beach bag, and then adding all those things. I kind of said that with the water balloons, but like doing a custom beach bag with maybe like a new swimsuit and goggles and a towel that you could put their name on with heat transfer vinyl or embroider it. a unicorn beanie. I love beanies for little kids. They're just so cute in those beanies. Craft kits with felt and buttons and all those things we just used on the beanie, but making it into a craft kit. There's so much time you're trying to pass with kids because they just want to be busy all the time. So creating things that they can do for themselves and by themselves can be a good gift in itself. Caddy for the side of the bed. You can sew this, or you can buy one on Amazon and doctor it up. You could put heat transfer vinyl on it and put a name or cute watercolor clip arts all over it. Something that matches their room, or just keep it simple and just put like their initials on the corner. Or cute reading SVGs. We have a reading bundle, or like it says book lover. You could put that on the side of it. Our Belle inspired SVGs have a lot of book stuff in it too. A fork kit, and this I love because my girls got it when they were little from my sister and they loved it. It's basically just a sheet with ties on it, and you can roll it up and like put it back in the kit, and then you can like heat transfer vinyl on it, Landis's fort or whatever, and they just pull it out and they can tie it to whatever. They can tie it to their bunk beds, their whatever. But the cool thing is if they do have a favorite theme, you can just get that sheet set in that favorite theme, whether it's stars or rainbows or whatever they like. You can find a sheet set in that theme and then turn it into a fort kit. All right, and that was my gift ideas for the little girls this year. I hope you guys make them. Also, let us know in the comments below what you guys are going to be making for your little girls, or other ideas that you have. Links to Pinterest if you have anything that you wanted to share. We would love to have you guys communicate in the comments and talk about what ideas you're going to be giving. We are giving away 12 amazing prizes this year. Every dollar from the raffle prizes, or from the raffle, are going to be going to Christ Hope International, and that's how we're raising money this year. Giving Tuesday, I will be live for 5 hours crafting with whoever else wants to join me. I'm not sure who my co-host is going to be this year, but we will be live and we will be crafting for 5 straight hours, and we will be announcing all the winners of those 12 giveaway items. So check out the items down below. They're on my website and they are available right now. So thank you for donating. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you in my next video.